7. Let's talk about the home warranty company. How do I benefit from a home warranty? Additional protection for your home. A home warranty provides extra protection for your property. If a covered system or appliance within your home stops working, the warranty ensures it will be repaired or replaced, subject to the terms of your plan. V coverage overview. Home warranties typically cover mechanical and electrical systems, household appliances, plumbing, and other designated services. Coverage varies by the warranty package you choose. A deductible or service fee will apply for each claim. See flexibility and timing. A home warranty is an optional service that you can purchase before closing escrow, C.O.E. Buyers often receive better pricing if the warranty is purchased before C.O.E. Real estate professionals strongly recommend securing a home warranty for the first year, particularly for resale homes, as it provides peace of mind for unexpected repairs. D. Payment responsibility. Home warranties are usually paid for by the buyer. However, buyers can negotiate through the real estate purchase contract, REPC, for the seller to cover the cost of the home warranty for the first year. This is a common practice in real estate transactions. E. Renewal options. Home warranties can be renewed annually after the initial contract expires. Be aware that renewal prices often increase, with some doubling in cost after the first year. Carefully review renewal terms before committing. F. Comparing home warranty providers. For more information, ask your realtor for a list of reputable home warranty companies. Research, inquire, and compare their offerings to select the plan that best meets your needs. G. Your choice matters. While realtors and loan officers may recommend home warranty providers, federal regulations reinforce that they cannot impose or require you to use a specific company. The decision is entirely yours. By understanding your options and federal protections, you can make an informed decision about home warranty coverage and enjoy greater confidence in your new home purchase. And remember, I highly encourage you to purchase the paperback or hardcover edition of MYDAR, available on Amazon. It serves as a reliable and comprehensive reference guide to support you throughout this first-time home buyer course and beyond. Congratulations! You've completed the home warranty company section. Please proceed to the next video on the pesticide company section. Feel free to revisit this section or any previous videos if you need further clarification on any information.